Welcome back to my channel. I celebrated my birthday on May 13 and I had the best time. Today, I am showing you how I created this beautiful everyday bun and bang hairstyle that I rocked on my special day. It's super simple, quick, and gave me the perfect look for my celebration. Let me show you how I did it. It's time for birthday hair. Let's put relaxer. Okay. Relaxer, after relaxer, wash the hair. Birthday hair is coming. So right now, you can go ahead and style the front however you want to. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a blessed day.